How to delete all Snapchat messages easily. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So in this video, I'll show you how you can delete your Snapchat messages. Whether you want to delete a specific conversation or all of your messages, just follow the simple steps. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat application first, log into your account, and make sure that the Snapchat application is also updated to its latest version. Now go to the conversation section. You will see the list of your chats, and I'll show you how you can delete all of the chats with just a few clicks. But first, let's delete a conversation with a specific person. So I'll delete a conversation with Team Snapchat. So long press on the conversation and a menu will appear. Tap on Chat and Notification Settings. You will see the option to clear from chat feed and delete chats. If you want to delete chats from a specific time, click on Delete Chats, and you will get 3 different options of after viewing, 24 hours after viewing, and 7 days after viewing. If you want to clear the chat from the feed, it will clear all the chats from there. So go ahead and tap on Clear from Chat Feed and tap on Clear again, and you'll be done. But if you want to delete all the chats from the page, go ahead and tap on your Snapchat profile in the top left corner. Then go to the gear icon to go to Settings. Scroll all the way down, and there you will see the option of Clear Conversation. Tap on it, and you will see the list of the chats that you have in your conversation page. Tap on this cross icon or the X icon beside their names. It will delete all the conversation with that specific person. Tap on Clear to confirm, and you'll be done. So that's how you can easily delete all of your Snapchat messages. So if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.